Hello, how are you doing this evening? On today's Food Wednesday, we can take a look at this brand new snack pack Unicorn Magic Pudding. I got my Walmart, and here's what the package looks like on the front. Has a nice picture of the unicorn on it. It says that the pudding is made with sawdust. And here's a hashtag to the pudding. Hashtag yes unicorn. Inside says there's some unicorn tattoos on the inside. And there are also two different kinds of pudding, one pink, one blue. It actually matches the unicorn's hair somewhat. And here's at the top of the package. There's some information about the pudding and the website you can go to for more fun and games with unicorn. And here's nutrition facts. I'll just leave it here for a few minutes so you guys can see it. Hold on, I can't read these. Here's beer milk. Now, I'm gonna open this pudding for you guys. Sorry, it sounds funny. I've just been tight lately. And here we have it. There's 4 pink puddings and 2 blue puddings. And here's tattoos right here. This is a unicorn, rainbow unicorn. Yeah, pretty. And there are more tattoos in here. Yep, there's another unicorn tattoo. There's a unicorn head on it. Yeah, pretty. And now I'm gonna test out 2 of these puddings with you guys. Right back, I'll separate them now. Okay, now here's the pudding already for me to taste, and here's the rest of the look at these tattoos I got. Here's the first tattoo, very nice and pretty. Here's the second tattoo. Nice tattoo. Reminds me of Patmos, actually. And here's the first pudding taste I'm gonna do. Is the blue pudding right here. I'm gonna be careful because I'm doing one hand. Here's what it's like. And that's it goes. Very interesting. Nice. Tastes like magic for some reason. Very delicious. Now I'm gonna do the pink pudding. Here you go. Here is the pink pudding. Interesting. Okay, the blue one I'm thinking tastes better than the pink one. Because the blue one does have red taste to it, and the pink one really doesn't have any taste to it. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I'm just gonna give this halfway out of 5. So I don't know if I recommend it or not, but that's how I feel about the pudding. Hopefully you guys will like it a bit more than I do. And thank you guys again for watching my Food Wednesdays on this snack pack Unicorn Magic Pudding. If you want to see more reviews, please come to the channel and comment, subscribe, and like down below. As always, I got what to say to you guys. Peace, love, and stay elevators. Bye for now.